Hello?
This is Raymond calling from the Accident Claims Helpline. How are you doing today?
Horrible.
We are trying to get in touch with those people who had a car accident in the last 2 years so we can help them to get the compensation money for their injuries. Have you had a car accident?
Yes.
Do you remember how long ago you had this accident?
1 year ago.
Let me pass your call to the claim investigators so they can explain to you how you will get this compensation money, even if your number is on any do not call list. Would that be okay with you?
Yes. Hello?
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Thank you so much for connecting with the Accidental Claims Helpline. How are you doing today?
Hi, very well.
Actually, this call is for your car accident that you've had in the past 2 years. And for that accident, your compensation amount is pending, right?
Yes?
So may I know how did the accident happen? What was the scenario of your accident?
Yes, I was at the supermarket, and I thought I hit the brake, but I hit the accelerator, and I went right through the deli section. Hello? Hello? I wiped out the whole meat department. Call me back. Thank you.